guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, my name is Abithio. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video. I think I've been quite busy. I've been going through a lot. Sorry, I've been going through a lot, and I've been thinking of what to do. You know, when you're new on YouTube, you run out of ideas of what to do, and I wanted just to show you like what I've been doing lately. I had a photo shoot done like a week ago by a friend of mine, one of my good photographers from Kisii. If you're in Kisii, you can look for a guy by the name of Frank Zappa. He does wonderful photos. So I did a photo shoot, and I wanted to mount them on my wall. Since my wall is kind of plain, yeah, my living room wall is kind of plain. It doesn't have anything. I haven't decorated anything for quite a while. So I wanted to see if I can like do a photo shoot, then mount the photos. Of course, I'm a fan of Instagram, so I went on Instagram, looked at like the cheapest mountings on Instagram, because the price I was being given around in Kisii was quite expensive. So I went on Instagram to look for like the cheapest mounting I can get, because I really got good photos from my photographer. I must say, they were indoor photos. If you follow me on IG or on Facebook, or if you have my WhatsApp number, you'll see the photos. Most of you keep asking me, oh, who did your photos, who did your makeup? By the way, I do my own makeup, but from today, because I'm just from work, I was wearing a mask. I don't need to buy masks every day, so that's why I don't do makeup. And I'm okay with my natural face. It's okay. I love it. Most people love it. My family love it. So there's no need of me doing makeup. I only do makeup during occasions. When I'm going somewhere, when I'm going for weddings, when I'm doing a photo shoot. Yeah, I also do good makeup. You should follow me on Instagram and see some of the things that I do. So I bumped into a page on Instagram called Golden Months. If you're an online shopper, you know you have to go through all the photos. You do your CID work to see if they're genuine people. So I did my CID work. I got like a couple of people I know. So I decided like, okay, let me try Golden Months and see what they have to offer. So I sent my photos, and they've sent me back the parcel 2 days later. Here is what they gave me. Okay, for guys who don't know, that's my real name, Hepsi Bayabesh. My phone number, oh sorry. And the package was sent to Kisii. It was sent via EasyCoach. I think there's a very reliable source of sending packages. Yeah, I got a message from them today morning to go and pick the package. I was a little bit busy, so I'm just from there, and I want to open the package. I think the package is not that bad. It's like I don't know if this is a book like or a what like. I used to package. They have cellotapes all around it. I'm trying to open it to see what we got. Let's see the quality. Let's see if they've done a really good job. They also did a little bit of editing on my photos, because I did an indoor photo shoot, and there are a little bit of things that I wanted to be removed from the photos. Let me see if we did a good job. Let's throw these away. Oh my god, I'm so in love with them. I'm so in love. This is the first photo. This is an A5. Look at how it looks. That's me, by the way. I know most of you will think that's not me. That's me, by the way. And here it's the mounting. like the thing that you used to mount on the wall. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the other thing that like you can place it on the table, but my sole purpose was for this to be placed on the wall because I wanted it to be placed on the wall. This actually looks good. The only thing that has disappointed me is this spacing. I don't like the spacing. I wish they would have just did like a whole thing here and here, but otherwise it's good. This costed me around, let me see, around 400 shillings. Yeah, for this. I love it. I super love it. It's light, not heavy, and it can easily stick on my wall. The next is the second photo. Oh my god, actually they did the editing, the back editing for this photo. Look how I look, pretty enough. This is an A, this is an A5, A4, A3. This is an A4 photo. This goes for around 600 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, around that. I'm not so sure about the prices. I'll give you the price list later. This goes for around that amount. Look at how it looks, and it's very light, and I do love it. My final and the big one. Oh my god, look at the queen. Look. This goes for 950. Yeah, only 950. For only 950 you can get this from Golden Mounts. I'll share the Instagram account so you can all reach them, and kindly tell them I'm the one who gave you a referral. Okay? Yeah, look. Wow, I really love it. What do you think, guys? Is this the real person, or is it someone else? I really love it. I'm going to mount them on the wall, and I'll give you a final look at my before and after how my wall looks like. I hope you like it, kids. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and share. And kindly follow me on Instagram at Hebithio. Follow Golden Mounts on Instagram at Golden Mounts. And bye bye. Subscribe, like, share. Till next time.